just arrived at the cabin. This is where we're staying for the next 2 days, and yeah, let's showcase you guys the cabin, shall we? Okay, this is the cabin. Very small, eh? We got a table, some 2 chairs, and 2 bunk beds in here. That's about it. No restroom. So in order to use the restroom, we gotta go outside. And no, that's not what I mean. We gotta go out and look for the bathrooms. Sir, that is one big ass spider in that one too, bro.
You good?
Hot dog, eh? Really good. The inside is a little cold, but it's okay, it'll do. Round 2. This one we burnt in the bread a little bit, but it looks better. Crispier. This one is better, way better than the first one. Ramen tonight.
It doesn't look that bad.
Not bad. Stewed meat. Looking mad good, bro. Look at that bug just sitting right there. Sheesh. I want to go home already, bro. This stuff is tender. It's pretty good. Pasada?
Yeah.
Okay. Beautiful weather, huh? Earlier it was raining. The weather was miserable. Now look at it. The sun's right behind me, shining bright. We're gonna catch a lot of fish today, okay? Just watch.
要这样提，知道吗？他脱头才叫提起来。
Oh, bro.
Bro，
Bro.
不要了，把它，要不要先换着，先养着？
哎呦，
不要的，不要。我们这里还有好多。
先养着。
Kai. What's going on, man?
I don't know, man.
Hey. Got fire.
Campfire, boy.
Oh, that's hot. So we slept in the car last night. It was not bad, but there was just no way I was sleeping in the cabin, bro. The amount of bugs was just insane. So yeah, we got one more night tonight, and we out of here.
Yo, maybe down there.
That's what I'm saying. Don't worry about it.
Dude, I can literally see the bottom right there.
We've been here for almost over an hour. 0 fish. I think I suck, man. No fish here either. Searching spots. No luck today so far. I suck, man. Maybe fishing isn't my thing. But it's okay. We gotta be positive. Positive, eh? Gotta be positive, yo, right? Don't look at me like that, bro. Come on. Be happy, bro. Look at the beautiful view, eh?
Yeah, it's a nice view.
Yeah. At least enjoy the view if you can't catch any fish. Don't be depressed, bro. It's okay. We can always go to the supermarket and buy some fish just to eat.
Oh, he caught one.
Yo, he caught one? Nice.
We can have it as a pet.
Small little baby. Oh well. Some ribs, some wings, looking good.
Not bad, not bad.
That was pretty shit.
What do you mean?
You're the reason why we didn't get any fish today.
That's pretty bad, my bad. You didn't see that. Oh, wait, this rock, bro. I'm telling you. Which rock it is? You believe me? Guess how many?
2. Damn!
That was like a 7-pointer. Not bad.
Alright, that's gonna be it for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoy. And although we didn't catch any fish today, but hey, I'm pretty good at skipping some rocks, you know? So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.